Welcome to Program Thought Channels. Today I am going to discuss about CSV write. Create one empty file, save.py extension, and then started to write the code. Import CSV and make it one array list. That array list pass the parameter column name and column values. Row underscore list equal to double square bracket as a name, father name, as a number. I've just included 3 value for sample purpose. 1 2 3. Name Raja, Lee, Raghav, father name Vimal, Kamal, Suresh. With open within single quotes, make a one CSV file name with this .csv extension, comma, open the write mode, single quotes, W as file. Then a writer is a method of CSV equal to CSV dot writer method to pass the file as parameters. Writer equal to write rows, pass the parameter row list. Code typing finished. I am going to run the code. What will happen? Just showing that output. Yes, number, name, father name. Thank you for watching.